Hey guys, it's happened again. Okay, it looks worse than what it is, okay? So, I recently just got home from my trip and it wasn't this bad before I left. But then I came home and I did all my hauls and then I unboxed 2 advent calendars yesterday. So this is what we've got at the moment and it's a big mess. But I thought this would be fun because let's go through everything together. So majority of this stuff is like just new things that I've got that don't even belong in the studio, so they need to go. Then everything else is just like makeup and the stuff that needs to be put away. So I thought let's just chill. Let's just, you know, start working through it together. So that's what we're gonna do now. And I'm actually really excited because I always have this dilemma where I'm like, oh, I can't listen to music or anything like that because like it'll get copyrighted. But I had an epiphany today that headphones exist, so I'm really excited. I feel like I'm gonna be heaps more like motivated. So I'm gonna start by kind of organizing everything into like where things need to go, like stuff that needs to go come out of the studio. Anyway, let's just get into it. There's a lot to do. Okay, I feel like we've made a lot of progress, so I'm pretty happy. At least I can walk in here now. I think I need a break because I'm really hot. How cute is this, by the way? So I unboxed the Benefit Advent Calendar. I got this little basket and I think this is like perfect because I'm always on the hunt for new containers and stuff, and I feel like this is so cute. So I've just popped all of the new makeup and stuff that I have in here. And I'm going to figure out what's to go in a giveaway and what I want to try out and everything like that. This is all of the advent calendar makeup that I unboxed yesterday. So I need to do the same, go through that, see what's to keep and what's to go in a giveaway. So I'll probably sort all of that stuff out soon. Then I need to like reorganise my drawers. I really want to reorganise like, what am I trying to say? I want to reorganise like with the containers and like these things that I've got, just to make it easier to know like what I have of each category and things like that. I also still need to clean my desk. Like there's still a lot to do, but we've made good progress, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go probably have a little bit of a break, have a drink and stuff, and then we'll keep going. So yeah, we'll get into that soon. Actually, what I might do first, before I have a break, I'm just actually going to quickly organise all of this stuff about what's a giveaway, what's to try out, and what needs to go into my bathroom, I think. So I'm going to do that real quick now. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see a bit more. Okay, so this is everything I'm gonna keep. So there's some Colourpop stuff in here. The new Winx sticks. I've also got some of the Instant Crush blushes. I absolutely love these. They're the lip and cheek balms. I've kept all the lashes that I got from Unicorn Cosmetics. I've also got some of the brow stuff they sent me. All of the mascaras and stuff from the Benefit Advent Calendar, and then like some lip products and stuff. So that's everything I'm going to keep. So I'll organise that into the drawers soon. That's everything that I put in the giveaway. Obviously there's some stuff in here from like other stuff, but just mainly lip products. Colourpop sent me all of the blushes, so I just put half of them in here, which makes me sad. But it's mainly just the shades that won't fit my skin tone. Same with like the lip and highlighter and stuff like that. Oh, that's so pretty though. Yes, probably too deep. Always base, because I've already got so many. This one is in the shade, it says on the back, what is it? I can't see it. I feel like it's shade 2 or something. But I've already got 3 of them, I think. Yeah, I think that's shade 2. Some of the lip products that, you know, weren't my colours. And then like a little eyeshadow palette and stuff. And the little brush that Unicorn Cosmetics sent me, just because I have so many of these brushes. It is really cute though. So yeah, as we go along with the advent calendars, this will get more and more full, and then we will do some giveaways, which is exciting. This is the stuff I kept that needs to go into the bathroom. I got sent these from Mayleys, the Be Foxy, Be Flat and Be Peachy. Also there's body scrub from P. Louise. There's a couple of things from the Benefit Advent Calendar, and also some things that I bought when I was on holiday, so those just need to go into the bathroom. So yeah, we're making progress, guys. So I'm almost there. There's not much left. Well, there's still a fair bit to do, and we need to put all of our makeup away and stuff, but we're making progress. I'm feeling better about things. I'm gonna go have a little break now, and then we will be back shortly. Okay, so it's the next day now, and we're gonna start putting away some of this makeup, and then after we do that, I feel like that should clear like a little bit of room, and then we can start like working on everything else. There's just like a couple of bits to pick up off the floor, and some things to clean off my makeup desk and things like that, but then we're basically done. So yeah, just gonna start putting this makeup away. Okay guys, we are done. It might not look like it to you, but this is so much better. I can actually move in here now. So obviously all that stuff over there, I've talked about it a couple of times. I'm going to be doing, like redoing my studio like really soon. There's a goal that I want to achieve first, and then when I achieve that goal, I'm going to reward myself with a like new studio setup kind of thing. So that's what all that stuff is there for. But apart from that, I can actually move in here now, which is so nice. I've just got a couple of things on the desk that I need there at the moment. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.